Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Today is Sunday, and David is going to. It's how do you say this? It's the day that David is going to fly to Australia, and at the moment, he went out with the dogs to go for a walk, and yeah, Pepper and Peanut knows that he's going, especially Pepper, because Pepper is she loves David so much, and she knows that I think she can feel it that David is leaving. So um, everywhere David goes, she go. David, she's like a glue, something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna drop him off um, in the what's this? In the train station in Brighouse, because he's just going to, he want me to drop him off in Manchester airport, but I said I can't drive. I mean, I am not confident. I don't have a confidence to drive in a motorway or that far going to Manchester airport. So yeah, he booked a train from Brighouse to Manchester airport. So then I'm gonna, before he goes to say, I want him to have something to eat because his flight is at 5 o'clock, and then I need to drop him off in the I need to drop him off to the train station 11 at 11 o'clock because his train station schedule is 11:20. So it's only 9:50 in the morning. That's why he went out for a walk with the dogs. I didn't go out because they're just going for a walk just around the houses. Yeah, and I'm gonna make a sandwich, egg and bacon sandwich before he go, or he can just take it or bring it, take it. I don't know. I'm confused. I bring and take. Yeah, he can bring it with him. I think is it the right? I don't know. Sometimes I'm just confused. Bring it with him. The steak is to take away. To bring is to bring. To take it. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just confused. Take and bring. Yes, I'm just going to make a egg and bacon sandwich so that he got something to eat before his flight. Right. Okay, so I'm gonna make it now. Hello guys, uli. Ayan, magluluto na po tayo ng bacon and egg sandwich para sa aming tanghalian at saka sa kay David para dalhin na lang niya. Ewan ko kung kakainin niya dito or dadalhin na lang niya doon niya kakainin sa airport or sa train. So, meron po kami isang frozen ito kagabi. Ini-frost ko siya kasi hindi ako nakabili kahapon ng bagong bread. So, ito ay frozen. So, it's fine. So, gagawa tayo ng sandwich. I'm gonna make a sandwich for me and David. And then the dogs, I boiled some chicken last night. Big chicken leg. Make them half so that they can have some of it today. And I gave them last night for their dinner, and they're going to have it again for their lunch. They do it like lunch and dinner. Them too. In the morning, we just give them milk, and I can't open this thing. It's in the corner. Oh, I don't know. It's not really. How do you open this thing? I'm just getting a cuchillo. There you are. So, lagyan muna natin ng butter. Kasi it's 10 o'clock na. I think David said we need to go at 11. They're still outside. Sabi ko sa kanya, yung pantalon kasi niya sobrang haba. Kasi yun ang pinasuot ko sa kanya dahil it's like a cargo outdoor pant. Mahilig kasi siya sa gusto kasi niya yun dahil marami ang bulsa. Just in case, kasi yung pinili niyang it's like a light flight. He is just allowed 12 kilograms of hand luggage. He's using hand. Dito na sila. Hello, baby. Oh, was it Mode? Oh no, come on upstairs. Come on, I'll wash your feet upstairs. Ay. Come on, Pepper. Good girl naman si Pepper. Good girl, baby. Come on, I'll wash your feet. That's good girl, Pepper. Very good. I'm making a sandwich. Egg and bacon sandwich. How many do you want? 2. Yeah, but if you want 2, I can make 2. Huh? Just 1. Okay. You got chicken for your lunch. Do you want me to feed them before we go, or do you want when I come back? Okay. So, ihahatid ko lang po si David sa airport. Diyan lang sa malapit lang. 30 minutes daw. Yung sabi ng ng Google. 13 minutes biyahe. Sunday naman kasi ngayon. Sana walang traffic. Ganyan. I think wala namang traffic. So, yan. First time kong mag-drive papunta doon. Ayoko kasi nagdadrive na hindi ko alam. Kaya sabi ko, David, pwede ba tayo mag-drive doon na para malaman ko. Sabi na, it's easy to drive doon. Kasi ginawa ko, nag-drive ako sa Google Earth na lang ako. Tinignan ko on how to get there. It's easy. It's easy. Ayoko kasi nagdadrive ng hindi ko alam yung daan. Hindi nga ako nagdadrive sa sa highway or sa motorway kasi natatakot ako. Hindi ako yung ganun ka confident. Ooh, do you want bacon as well? Oh, Peto, do you want bacon? I'll make 1 for you as well, but you can have this when I come back from dropping David off. So yan, hindi pa ako naglagay ng oil kasi yung bacon may taba siya konti. Maglalagay na ako ng mantika pag inano ko na yung egg, konting mantika lang. Kasi nahirap na. So, okay na yata itong isang bacon. So, ngayon na alis si David. Baka everything ay i-vlog ko na kasi that he can watch as well if he want to watch. Pag gusto niyang manood sa mga vlogs ko. Kasi hindi yan nanonood dahil I'm using Tagalog. Hindi mas komportable kasi ako mag-vlog pag Tagalog ang ginagamit ko dahil Ayan, so magluto pa tayo ng tatlo. Ayan. Ay, tatlo para tag-isa kay pepper at peanut. Hindi naman ito yung salty. What is this? It's a smoked bacon. Okay lang yung kapitaan sila. Pero mamaya ko na yan siya pakakainin pagdating ko. Kasi normally kumakain sila ng pangalan. It's 12 or 1. di lumamig yung fridge kasi na kabukas siya maghapon. Ay, maghapon, magdamag. Hindi ko na malayan. Pause ko muna to. Kasi yan, maglalagay na pa tayo ng cooking oil konti para sa egg. Yan. Tama na yan. Take me to your heart. Tell me when to start. Da 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 da. Your first time. Got to believe in magic. Tell me how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers. Gawin kong tatlo. Ay! Malakad pepper at peanut. In a world that's full of strangers, you got to believe in magic. Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. Guys, itong liyan ni David ay mag-ano siya, nag-stop over siya sa Hong Kong, no? Saan ba yun? Sa ano? Stop over siya sa Singapore ng 16 hours. So, nag-iikot-ikot muna yan siya sa labas ng airport. Then, lumalambot yung ating ano. Kasi pwedeng lumabas eh. Nagustuhan kasi niya yan dati nung pumunta siya ng Pilipinas. Tapos sa Singapore na kami, hindi pumunta siya ng Australia, hindi ako sumama. Tapos Singapore na kami nag-meet up, pabalik dito. Nagustuhan niya kasi nagalabas siya, tapos may free, ano kasi may free shuttle sa ano, para kay Pepper and Peanut. May free shuttle sa, pag mahaba ang stopover, layover sa, ano, sa Singapore, pwedeng mag-ikot. Nilalagyan lang ng ano dito, ayan, bracelet. Then ngayon 16 hours siya, so, ano yung kanya, so from Manchester to Amsterdam, and then, via Kuala Lumpur, and then Singapore. Ano ba yung ano niya? Ano ba yung airplane niya? Tingnan ko kung may nabasta siya. And then, yan. So, ayan na po. Sandwich, at saka, ito kay David dito sa akin. Pero mamaya ko nakakainin ko kapag babalik ko. Then, ilalagay ko yung kay David dito para kainin niya mamaya pag nasa train siya. Then, ito, hindi siya ganong malamig kasi, ano siya, protein, Starbucks protein with coffee. Protein. Ayan. Yan, babaunin niya to tapos at I'm sure ikikip niya yung bottle para lalagyan niya ng tubig. Pag ano siya. Ganyan yan siya. Ganun kami. Pag nagbibiyahe. Kasi di ba bawal yung tubig pagpasok sa ano, sa scanner. So ginagawa namin, in-empty namin. Tapos nilalagay yung empty bottle. Pagdating sa loob, mayroon doon parang pump. So nilalagyan na lang uli ng tubig at din yun. It's stupid realizing, but that's the way it is. So, ayan na po. At may sandwich na. And then, lahat ito na mga si David. And see you later. Bye for now. Bye! Cannot see them. So we're going now. Hi guys! So, ayan. Ihabit ko na po si David sa airport. Ano, sa train station. So, ayan. You sure you don't need a hat just in case it's raining? No? No,
Now exposed to the air, basically.
So, where am I going? Am I going? Huh? We're going this way?
Shut off. Go on. You can turn left or you turn right. Doesn't matter to begin with. Either way, going up the roundabout to Greenwood Park. You're the taxi driver usually.
Oh, you might say, yo, it's not going this way.
You can turn left or go straight. It doesn't matter.
So I'll just go straight to the roundabout.
Yeah, straight.
Then going right.
No, straight. I could go right. Yeah.
Right? And then go to where Aldi is. Is it right? Straight to the Asda. I don't know. That's what I was watching last night.
Or go down through that way.
I don't know.
Down through that way.
Which do you think?
Go straight.
Straight to where I am always going to Asda.
Whichever way you want to go.
I'll go straight.
Oh, it says road closed. Must turn right.
Oh,
It's really decision for you.
okay.
Watch your mirrors. Okay, thank you. Answer that question. We've only got 100 yards away from the house and we've got to the other side of the world on the first 100 yards away from the house. Well, 1,000 yards maybe. Oh, it's a megabus.
No.
No, it's not a megabus.
The road is busy. I thought it's quiet.
This is quiet. This is quiet.
Still have a lot of I'll go straight. Ay, sorry. Sorry. No.
Yeah. You just lost the point and you're next to driving now.
Sorry.
You said you could drive in the Philippines.
I can.
You've been long hotels all the time.
Well, they made the road now nice.
Yeah, 100 yards away.
Maybe I'll go in the middle of it. Am I in the right lane?
No, you're in the left lane,
Oh,
which is correct. And that bus.
it looks like it's rain. It's going to rain. Oh, this is right. Right lane. I am going there and I'm going this way. Am I going this way?
Follow.
And then going there.
Yeah.
Straight. It's straight now.
Right now then.
The Ate Marily and Kadaran is now there. Do you think? Not yet? How long it will
It's
take?
about a 4-hour flight, I think.
So their flight was
Where they go
7.
for into Ventura.
Yeah. So I think they're going at 7 o'clock. The flight was
7
7.
o'clock flight.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Be there and how do you call it? I feel like how do you call it here? The indigestion. Sigmura. It's in Sigmura. You know, when you feel like you need to puke.
Oh,
I don't know, it's that. Might be just because I'm just thinking too much. Thinking too much.
that's bad.
Okay. Oops, sorry.
Twitches doing.
There was a
Twitches.
sorry. Now?
Railway speed.
Are we going here?
Yep, go in that car.
Oh, where am I going to park?
Right. Saturday. Maybe 2 hours. So do one back in between that red and that room car with the red orange roof.
2 hours. What's that space?
Right. No. That's big space.
There. Yeah, I'm going there. There. Where that sign is. Are you sure? Why is there a gap in there?
Can you not see that?
Yeah.
That huge gap there. Oh, it's just terminals on, so one side there, and that will. Oh, took his arm off and get him in. Keep going.
Wait.
Okay, thank you.
Okay now?
Yep.
Are we staying here or are you going there? Oh, yeah, okay to park there. What does it say? Is this permit holders
Oh,
only?
right, then in that case, just reverse a bit. We'll go and park on that street now.
What time is it? You said it.
11:36 is.
Ah. Where's your car? I was looking last night for a car park, but it's not. Where are we going? What's the top? There, it's there. There.
Right, so,
No.
right.
There?
Turn right here. Over there. Reverse back towards that car there. There's no restriction there. All right, okay. All right. Right, turn right there.
It's a bus stop.
There's the bus stop. Right, now reverse. Back to us. You're not behind you. One. Wake up.
It's my will.
Right, just full right lock now. Full right lock a minute. Turn you to the right. Go back 6 inches and then straighten your wheel.
Too close.
Straighten your wheel now to the left.
It's straight na.
Right, stop. There.
Oh, we have to leave the car here. Maybe I'm coming back with a ticket too.
Oh, you're fine.
Okay. So I'm going with David to the station. Okay. So guys, nandito na po tayo. At ang lamig, wala akong body warmer. Ito lang talaga yung warm. So this side for trains to. It is flat one on yours.
Yeah, sure.
Is it this? So, papunta na kami sa train. Nandito na po kami sa train station. Pero hindi namin alam kung saan siyang platform. Magtatanong kami. So, nandito lang tayo. We're waiting for David's train. 11:36.
Expected 11:38.
11:38.
Platform 2.
Okay. So, I'm just going to wait until David will get on the train and then I will drive back to see Peppa and Peanut. They will be wondering now where is they will be waiting for you all day on that. Train is here. It's really good. Look good. Right, bye. Bye. Let's go. So that's the train of David. Let's go now. That's it. Let's go now. So yan po ang train ni David. Papuntang Manchester Airport. At uuwi na tayo. Balik na tayo doon sa sasakyan. Doon. Oh, it's cold. So guys, andun na si David sa train. Papuntang Manchester Airport. At na-drive na ako pabalik. Ang lamig. Diyos ko po. Nakalimutan kong magsuot ng ng body warmer. So, so guys, nandito na tayo sa loob ng sasakyan. Andun na si David, nakasakay na ng train. Magdadrive na po tayo pa uwi. Oh my God. It is really cold. Nakalimutan kong suot ng body warmer. So yan po, ayan, magdadrive na tayo pa uwi. Ayan. Lamig na lamig pa ako. Tudahan natin yung Okay, let's go. What is it? Do you want something to eat? Is this hungry? No. Okay, I'll make you something to eat. Is she asking? Where's David? Yum! Look at Pepper. What is that? What is that? Okay, I'll make the food. Come on, it's chicken. It's chicken time. Okay. Hello, Oli guys. So after naming nagtanghalian ni Pepper, Peanut at ni Pepper at si Peanut, nandito sila busy. So, uupo tayo dito kasi si Pepper kinakahol ako. Ewan ko kung anong ibig niyang sabihin kung nagtatanong kung kinakahol niya ako dahil tinatanong niya ako kung nasaan si David or kinakahol niya ako dahil nagugutom siya kanina. So, pinakain ko na sila ng kanilang tanghalian kasi it's 12 o'clock na. Normally, pinapakain talaga sila ni David mga 1 o'clock, ganyan. Kasi naglalakad yan sila pag may pasok ako. Hindi kasi ako sumasama maglakad. So, naglalakad sila mga ganyan kasi nagigising si David 11 or 10, ganyan. Naglalakad sila mga 12 o'clock or 1, tas pagkabalik nila, saka sila nagtatanghalian. Pero kanina, maaga silang nilakad ni David dahil nga sa paalis si David. So, nagising kami mga 9 o'clock or 9:30, ganyan. And then, nag-almusal. Tapos, yun, naligo si David, nag-almusal. Nag-almusal kami. And then, after nag-almusal, nilakad tong dalawa. Si David lang ang lumabas dahil ano pa ako. May ginagawa ako, and then nagluto ako para baonin ni David papunta sa airport. Kasi pag sa train mahal yung hindi naman mahal pero mayroon kasing bumili ako ng bacon and egg kahapon, tapos ginawa kong sandwich, and then yun ang tanghalian ko rin. Tanghalian ng mga aso, tsaka tanghalian ni David. Umiiyak si Pepper. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Maninibago ito si Pepper kasi normally, nandito si David nakaupo. Tapos yung laptop niya nandyan. Ngayon kasi maninibago to si Pepper. Hasta mamayang gabi, aanuhin niya yan. Hanapin niya yan si David. Hasta bukas. Ganyan. Umiiyak na nga siya . It's okay. I know. So yan. Dito muna ako kasi para masital itong isa. Lalo na itong isa talaga ito. Ito kasi hindi ito hiniwalay kay David pag nandito si David. So yan po ang ating linggo ngayon. Tahimik lang. Kami lang ngayon. O diba, Peanut? Peanut? You okay, baby? Busy lang yan siya. Busy. Busy. Si Peanut, okay lang to kasi talaga lagi yan nasa akin pagka nandito ako sa bahay. Kasi dito si David umupo din, doon ako umupo. So, lagi yan nasa akin hanggang sa makatulog ako, ganyan, lagi yan nasa akin. Kumbaga si Peanut, aso ko talaga yan. Pero dahil nga sa pumapasok ako sa trabaho, so pag sila lang dito, si David, wala siyang choice kundi kay David yan. So yan lang muna ang ating vlog today. So everyday na tayo magbablog para makikita din David kung ano yung mga ginagawa natin dito. Okay, bye for now. Hello guys. Hindi ko talaga mapigilan na hindi umiyak. Kasi tinitingnan ko yung flight ni David. Na siya on board. Hindi ko talaga mapigilan. Kasi kanina gusto kong umiyak, pero pinipigilan ko lang yung kanina nung nihatid ko siya, nung nandun kami sa may train station. Kasi ayokong mag-alala siya pa sa akin or sa amin ng mga aso. Yeah, pinapakita ko talaga sa kanya na I'm strong enough to be on my own with the dogs. Hindi ko talaga mapigilan yan. I don't know why. Since kasi since na we've been together, ngayon lang ako naiwan mag-isa dito sa bahay. Si Pepper nag-aalala. Ngayon lang talaga ako naiwan dito sa bahay na kasi kung hindi lang sana si Pepper at si Peanut, baka kasama ako. Baka kami nagsabay umalis. Kaso yung mga aso nga walang magbabantay. Kasi 4 weeks din siya doon. Punta siyang Australia. Ayun naman ay dahil na matagal na rin siya matagal na rin niya hindi nakikita yung mga apo niya doon at yung anak niya. So, yun. Sorry guys. Hindi ko talaga mapigilan na hindi umiyak. Mom, it's okay. Umiiyak si Pepper. It's okay, Pepper. Hindi ko talaga mapigilan, guys. Gusto ko sanang tawagan siya, nasa airport na siya, on board na daw siya. Kaso, pag tinawagan ko siya na umiiyak ako, baka panghinaan siya ba ng loob. Sabi niya, hindi na lang, nag-text na lang kami. Minisit ko siya si Pepper umiiyak. It's okay. Si Pepper. Ngayon na papalapit ng ang flight niya, saka na ako naiyak. Kanina hindi naman ako umiyak. I don't know. Kaya natin to, Pepper, no? We can do this. Nagkataon pa kasi na nag-holiday yung ang pinakamalapit yung mga kaibigan. Nag-holiday sila for 2 weeks and then yung isa kong kaibigan na malapit din sa akin, umuwi sila ng Pilipinas for emergency purposes. So, I thought I will not cry. Kala ko hindi talaga ako iiyak. I thought I am strong enough. Pero, hindi ko pala kaya. Hindi, kanina okay lang naman ako kanina. Pero, nitong dumidilim na, napapagabi na, tapos yung flight ni David ay na, 5:15 kasi ang lipad ng aeroplano. Umiiyak tuloy ako. Oh my God, Hazel. I'm so sorry, guys. Si Peanut. Si Pepper umiiyak din. Nag-aalala tuloy si Pepper. Siya, sorry. Hello guys! Ayan. Umpisa na tayong mag-vlog na kumakain, kung ano-ano na lang ang ating ipa-vlog. Kasi nga, mag-isa tayo dito sa bahay. Kasama ko si Pepper at Peanut. Ang kakainin ko po ngayon ay yung leftover namin last night na chicken. Diba kagabi, kinain namin ay ganito. In-air fryer ko and then kanin. Marami akong nasaing kagabi kaya kailangan kong kainin. Binigyan ko na nga yung mga aso para maubos kaagad. Kasi promise ko sa sarili ko hindi muna ako kakain ng maraming kanin habang wala dito si David. So, tanggalin ko yung sunog na balat kasi mapait siya. Hindi siya mapait, parang manamis-tamis kasi asukal yan na brown sugar pala. Kakain na po tayo. Ito lang yung ating ulam ngayon. Broccoli na in-steam ko at saka yung chicken na leftover last night. So, okay, tingnan na. Tikman natin. Sarap talaga yung yung chicken kagabi. Kinuha ko lang yun yung recipe. Ay yung i-marinate ko. nagkaroon ako ng idea kung paano siya i-mix sa internet, sa Google. Pero hindi talaga siya yung mismong recipe na ginamit ko kasi wala ako eh. So, nilagyan ko lang yung brown sugar. Ano pa ba yun? Ano ba yung isa? Basta. Yun, kung anong meron kami, yun ang ginamit ko. Yummy. So, yan. Kakain po muna tayo. Sorry. Si Pepper at si Peanut, pinakain ko na rin. So, ayan. Hindi inat-inat na sila. Kasi natulog lang sila. Mula kanina nung dumating ako dahil umuulan sa labas, malamig. Kaya tinatamad silang lumabas. So, mamaya na sila. Pag lalabasin ko pagkatapos kong kumain, kakain muna ako. Then, itry kong matulog ng maaga tonight kung kaya ko. Kasi kagabi, trinay naming matulog. Mga anong oras kami nahiga. Siguro mga 11. Maaga na yun sa amin, no? 11 or 10 ba yun? Naku, hindi talaga kami makatulog dahil nga sanay kami na natutulog mga 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, ganyan. Si David, grabe kasi hanggang 4 o'clock. Ayan. So, yan, kakain po muna ako and then mamaya uli or bukas na magbablog. Pag wala na ako maidugtong ngayon, magpapasalamat na lang po ako sa lahat ng laging nanonood. Kahit na hindi kagandahan yung aking vlog kasi hindi po ako kailangan ko pa ng lesson. Hindi kasi dahil nga sa pumapasok ako sa trabaho and then syempre minsan busy. Wala na akong time mag-edit. Minsan nila-live ko na lang yung aking kahit na walang manonood. So yan. Yan na po, and thank you so much for watching. Kakain po muna ako. Bye for now. Bye. See you in my next one.